What's up, all you quantum maniacs? If you've seen me on the internet for the past few years, thank you. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being a fan. I get numerous tweets, congratulations, and requests from people who I know watch my work. To those people, I want to apologize because I've been making terrible content the last few years. And most of it was through no control of my own, but I fell into the trap of making uniform videos, reading scripts I didn't like, and just creating Microsoft PowerPoint presentations for videos. I didn't like what I was doing for the majority of my time, and I always wanted to focus on my own channel, and I never got the opportunity to do so. So now's the time for me to grab the bull by the horns. It's not a literal bull though, it's a metaphorical bull. The point I'm trying to make is that for an unprecedented third time, Qwality TV is back, baby. We're gonna laugh, we're gonna cry, we're gonna do all the stuff that I couldn't do the past few years because I was handcuffed by mediocrity. So here's an update. For the last year or so, I've gone through a bunch of change and other good stuff. I've shot some things that made it to TV. I ventured out to Hollywood to make a short film with my film school.
Okay, pictures up, guys.
There are people in the bathroom.
Pictures up, people in the bathroom out.
And I progressed to my thesis, which made me realize that I'm a movie studio. I have a camera, I got lighting equipment, and I got audio equipment. That's all I need to be a movie studio. Well, some LLCs, a crew, money, permits, and a bunch of other things that will lead to an early demise and a coke-fueled overdose or something else dramatic. But in theory, I'm a movie studio. And every movie studio needs a release schedule. Drum roll, please. This is my release schedule. Originally, it was tweeted out for the whole world to see, and to me, that made it real. No more hiding behind projects that are in development, no more writing in public to make myself look important. It's here. I'm gonna make this happen, so let's make a movie. So here's how you can support. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have several projects I'm developing along the way, and I also plan to use the next year to document everything it takes to make a movie. Support my Kickstarter. Monetary donations are welcome. My initial budget for this project is $5,000 from pre-production to post-production. Buy a t-shirt. Buy some merchandise from my store on whatamaneuver.com, especially the all-new Let's Make a Movie shirt. Share my work. This is the easiest and freest. One simple retweet, share on Facebook, or view on YouTube would help me immensely.
Confidence is not the thing. It's a result of the thing. Confidence is about peeling away everything that you're not. Confidence is about giving up pretending. Confidence is about being you in an unabashed, unwavering, unapologetic type of way.
I just want to look back when I stopped to play. I just want to look back and I will say to myself, yes, I gave everything. And I want to say thank you to football for what he has given to me back. And that's why I'm really working out for my future. I'm so grateful for what the game has given me. And I'm also looking forward to give more.